Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Zaina.
Look at the slide.
Yeah, I see the slide. Okay. Well, happy Sunday. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. And we are going to go to the zoo. Because why not? You hot? Yeah, I'm just going to hang out with my little mini-me for the afternoon because I just want to do something with her. So, yeah, we're going to look at the animals first and then we'll do the slide, okay? She want to do the playground. But we're going to see the animals first because I said so, okay? Oh, girl, you about to get on my nerves. You want to do the swing?
Yes. Mommy down.
Oh, you took this already?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
It's so fun.
So fun. Oh, you want to do the big slide?
Yeah.
It's too big?
Yeah, it's too big.
Do the bridge? Come to the bridge. Good job. Zaina brave. Zaina brave. Good job, baby. Look at you. Zaina brave. Wow, Zaina. Wow, Zaina. Good job, Peanut. Whee! You did it. There was this little boy who Zaina was playing with. And she's sad now that he's gone. Zaina, mommy's your friend. You want mommy to play with you? Wow. Okay, switching gears a little bit. We found a car in Chicago that we want to check out, so we're going to Chicago. Let's do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. sun. That's a girl looking good. That arm. Good kick, baby. Oh, mommy can't kick. You didn't tell me I look good today. You know, this construction Gretchen got going on in Michigan. You gonna tell her to speed it up? She listen to you, right? You royalty. You like.
Are you on a phone or you on Put that camera on my face, man. You know what I'm saying?
Wow, dude. Beautiful skies, man. This is like. Oh. This is when you want to be outside. Like, look at these skies. Yeah, outside, Zayna. Zayna's going to sleep. Watch. What time is it? It's 5:59. Let's see how long it takes her.
Okay, because I already let you know I should be there at 9.
Oh, you told her 9?
Way back before.
Oh, okay.
But now I'm telling him, like, I'm on my way, and I'll be there at 8:20. Hopefully we'll see the car at least. Even if we, I don't know, wait, take hotel.
Oh, we get it in the morning?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. That'll work. That's okay. That's plan B.
Take a slight right turn onto Illinois Route 43 North.
We have a winner, guys. If there's good ratings on Yelp, that means it's good. Wow, that looks great. I got the same thing.
The guy training him how to drive.
You like your car?
Hmm?
You like your car?
Yeah. You like it? What? Manu toy.
We made it back home. It is literally like 4 a.m. and I am so exhausted. Zainab is still awake. And yeah, it's supposed to work tomorrow, but see y'all on the flip side.